This is so easy. 2 plus 5 times 4. Well, thank God I brought my calculator. Let's see. What should I type first? 2 plus 5 or 5 times 4? This calculator doesn't even have order of operations. Just cheap, 99 cents. I have to use something better. Thank God I have a backup. Okay. Backup. Backup doesn't even have order of operations. This cost me $100. Oof. This is like pain. Okay. TI-84. That poor loser. He probably did addition first, right? What are you doing, man? It's kind of common sense, right? I'm gonna do it my own way. Multiplication first, right? 5 times 4. I even look cooler than him. You look like homeless, man. 5 times 4, okay? 5 times 4 gonna give me 20. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 2 to it. What are you doing? I don't know. Okay, so 2 plus 20. That's gonna be 22. I even got it faster than you. You see how much faster I am than him? I start from left and then I go to right. So 2 plus 5 gonna give me. Poor guy, he bought. How many calculator you bought? 4? He still got it wrong. I got nothing. I even look cooler than him. And I got 22. Joe. 28. Oh my God, 28. You sucker! I beat you. It's 28.
Welcome to our science lab. This is 100% hands-on school. Today our topic is order of operation, and we have a student. What's your name?
Rifat.
Let's take a look.
Memorization is a crime.
Very good. Rifat, can you please tell me what is order of operation?
No, I don't even know what operation is.
Remember the topic we learned yesterday?
Yeah, the 4 operation.
We learned arithmetic, and the arithmetic is the study of
4 operation.
4 operations. Yeah. Can you write them?
Okay.
Can you write them over here?
Sure. So the first operation is gonna be.
Remind the whole class.
So there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Very good.
So plus, minus, multiply, divide.
Very nice. Alright, very good. Very nice. So now the result of addition. What do we call the result of addition?
Sum.
And subtraction?
Difference.
And multiplication?
Product.
What about the division?
Quotient.
Very nice. Now let me test you or remind the class. Let's do some recap.
Okay.
Alright, so now 10 plus 5 would be what?
10 plus 5. 15.
Very nice. Now 15. Very nice. Now
Okay.
we have to this one subtraction. We want to undo. We want to inverse. Okay. We want to inverse. The subtraction is the inverse of
Addition.
addition.
What is inverse?
It's kind of undo.
Undo.
Alright,
Can
so-
you like do hands-on something?
Yeah.
Then I
You
can-
want me to give you an example? Okay, sure. I'll give you an example. All right.
What is
So,
inverse?
all
What
right.
is undo?
Okay. All right. No problem. So hands on. All right. I'm gonna put something on your chin, and I'm gonna also put something over here. All right.
I don't like the way I look. What is this
You
kind
don't like the way you look?
of? I don't think anyone likes the way I look.
Inverse it or undo it.
Can I just take it out?
That's called undo or inverse.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah,
Just
that's
take
right.
it out. Wow.
Yeah, inverse or undo. That's right.
Wow.
That's undo or inverse.
So undo is just reverse, right? Inverse.
Undo is the inverse. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So a student had no idea about undo or inverse. Now a student just discover there is no difference between undo and now let's see whether a student can use this understanding to get us back to 10. Okay. Use the inverse property to get us back to 10.
Okay, so inverse mean I'm gonna start with what I end with before. So now I start with 15 and I wanna end with 10, right? Okay, so I have to subtract something from 15, so I end up with 10. So that means before I added 5, now I subtract 5. So 15 minus 5 give me 10.
Right. This is like you removing your beard and mustache.
Right.
Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Impressive. Now, all right. Now let's say this is this is 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is what?
12.
12. Can you give me a pictorial representation of 4 times 3?
Okay.
With explaining what is 4, what is 3.
So the 3 tells me how many groups I have. The 4 tells me how many dot or candy or box go in each group.
Very nice.
So let's make one group. That's group number 1, 4 candy.
Okay.
Group number 2, another 4.
2 group of 4.
And 3 group of 4.
Very nice.
Yeah. So now I have total of 3 groups, and each group has 4 candy.
Very nice.
That give me 12.
Very nice.
Candy.
Now, can you do the inverse?
Okay.
All right. So, or undo it.
Undo.
All right. So, the division is the inverse of
Multiplication.
or undo of.
Undo of multiplication.
All right. So, 12 divided by what gonna give us what?
So now we start with what we end.
Okay. So 12 divided by 3 or 12 divided by 4.
Okay, 4.
12 divided by 4
4.
gonna give us what?
3.
3. Can you give me a pictorial representation of this?
Sure. So now let's start with the same picture. I have my 12 dots, right? I have my 12 dots. But
use this color if you want.
now instead of grouping things together, I'm gonna split things. So that means I split it into group number 1, group number 2, and group number 3. So I split my 12 dot into 3 groups.
Very nice. All right. So now can you tell me what is order of operation? Do you understand now operations?
Yeah.
All right. So now what is order of operations?
Something that doesn't matter.
Something. So what is order of operation now? You tell me.
Same thing.
Is it really? All right. Okay. So is it really same thing? Okay. So let me give you an example. 2 plus 5 times 4.
2 plus 5 times 4.
Can you do solve this problem without knowing the order of operation?
Yeah. Of
Really?
course, yeah.
All right. So so you're gonna solve this problem with Joe. Joe is one of my students who knows order of operation.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is easy for me.
Go ahead.
Okay. That's this is so easy. 2 plus 5 times 4. Well, thank God I brought my calculator. Let's see. What should I type first? 2 plus 5 or 5 times 4? This calculator doesn't even have order of operations. Just cheap, 99 cents. I have to use something better. Thank God I have a backup. Okay. Backup. Backup doesn't even have order of operations. This cost me $100. Oof. This is like pain. Okay. TI-84. That poor loser. He probably did addition first, right? What are you doing, man? It's kind of common sense, right? I'm gonna do it my own way.
Final option.
Multiplication first, right? 5 times 4. I even look cooler than him. You look like homeless, man. 5 times 4, okay? 5 times 4 gonna give me 20. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 2 to it. What are you doing? I don't know. Okay, so 2 plus 20. That's gonna be 22.
Okay,
I even got it faster than you. You see how much faster I am than him?
I start from left and then I go to right. So 2 plus 5 gonna give me
Poor guy. He bought. How many calculator you brought? 4?
times
He still got it wrong.
4.
I got nothing. I even look cooler than him.
7 times
And I got
22. Joe. 28. Oh my god, 28. You sucker, I beat you. It's 28.
Okay, now, as you know that you were wrong, Rifat. You were wrong. This is not 28. Okay?
What's wrong?
Because you had no understanding of order of operation. But Joe is right.
Joe is smarter than me.
No, Joe is not smarter than you. Joe is not smarter than you. You know what? I have a gift for you. This is your nameplate.
Wow.
You are very smart. That's why I created a nameplate for you.
Can I show this to the class?
You don't have to, because I gave everyone nameplate. In my class, I believe that students are everything, and teacher is not important. Teacher is nothing. So this increases student self-esteem. So I gave Joe one, and I created one for you. That means you are as smarter as Joe. But what did you get wrong? Just because you did not know the order of operation. Joe knew the order of operation.
So teach me the order of operation.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So
I want to beat this average Joe.
Prem dash parenthesis.
Okay.
All right. And then exponent.
Okay.
Parenthesis, exponent,
Multiplication. Division. Addition.
and subtraction. All right. Now let's write parenthesis. Parenthesis is like that, or maybe bracket.
Sure.
Okay. All right. Exponent. An example of exponent could be 5 squared. So this is the exponent. 25 because 5 times 5. Very nice. Multiplication. Example of multiplication can be 5 times 3. So this is the multiplication. All right. The division. An example of division you saw earlier: 12 divided by 3, or 12 divided by 3. So this is the division. Addition sign, you saw it before: 1 plus 2. And subtraction is 1 minus 2. Now these four, they go left to
right. Oh.
Okay, they go left to right. This is so complicated.
This is a little bit too complicated.
It's not too complicated. I'm gonna show you. This is what? What is this one?
That's P for picture.
Parenthesis.
Oh, parenthesis.
What is this?
E for
Exponent.
exponent.
What is this one?
M for multiplication.
D for
Division.
A for
Addition.
S for
Subtraction.
I used the wrong color.
Yeah.
All right. So now I'm gonna give you in different order.
Okay.
So put this one where they belong.
Okay, so this one is orange color, so I'm gonna put it next to the orange. So
Subtraction comes here. Subtraction.
Oh, as for subtraction. Okay.
I'm gonna shuffle it.
Sure.
All right. So put this one where it belongs.
Multiplication. Okay.
All right. Put this one. I'm gonna shuffle it again. Why don't you shuffle it?
Okay.
Shuffle it. All right. Take the one on the top.
Parentheses.
Yes.
Parentheses.
Very nice.
This goes here.
Shuffle it again.
Shuffle and
Take the
shuffle.
one on the top.
Addition.
Okay.
Here. Exponents.
Okay.
Goes here. And finally, division.
Very nice. Very nice. Now, can you solve this problem now?
Okay. So I need to use this like pen brush.
Yeah, that's right. Solve this problem. 2 plus 5 times 4. And you will realize that
I was right.
No, you will realize that you are as smart as Joe.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So
Alright, you can use those.
2 plus 5 times 4. 2 plus 5 times 4. That's a good question. So now I have to think which operation I should do first. So, okay, let me look at my checklist. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have exponents? No. What about multiplication? I have some multiplication. Okay, I need to do my multiplication first. So should I do multiplication
Yeah,
first?
please.
Okay. So 5 times 4. 20. 5 times 4 is 20.
Okay, very nice.
So 2 plus 20. Okay. So let's see. Then do I have division? No division. I have addition. I have addition.
Yes.
So 2 plus 20 gonna give me
That's exactly how Jody.
22.
Take a look. That's how exactly. So order of operation is nothing but a rule that everyone follows, right? It's just like a traffic law. You know, red, you must stop. All right, you must stop in red, not only here in New York City, but also every single state. So
Right.
everyone follows this rule or the rules of operation. Does that make sense?
Right.
All right. Now let me give you another example. Put the multiplication back. All right. So can you do this problem now?
Okay.
Thank you.
So 3 times 5 is square.
Okay, very nice.
Okay. Parentheses, we don't have any. Exponents, oh, I see we have some exponent, right?
Right, very nice.
So 5 is square.
Right.
5 is square. 25.
Very nice.
25. 5 is square is 25
Right.
times 3.
All right.
Okay, so I'm done with my exponent. Let's see what's next. Multiplication.
You don't have to think about the order of operation anymore when you only have the one operation left.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can just do it. Right?
You can just do it.
Okay.
If you have only one operation,
Yeah. Then I have to think.
right,
Okay, so
75. Okay.
75.
Can you do this one? Let's see whether you can do a little faster,
Okay.
because I think you become smarter.
So let's see. First I have parentheses. So I'm gonna do inside parentheses.
Yeah.
Okay. So inside the parentheses I see some exponents. 3 square is gonna give me 9 times 4 plus 6. This pen is really out.
All right, no problem. You can always use my pen.
So now I have 9 times 4 plus 6. Then I have multiplication.
Very nice.
9 times 4 is gonna give me 36 plus 6.
Now you don't have to take a look at the
Oh,
order
yeah.
of operation. You have only
That's-
one thing left.
That's easy.
Very nice.
42.
So you became smarter. You can solve a little faster. I
Little
see that.
faster. So let's see. Okay, well maybe I should put them back.
Please do.
So first I see I have not one but 2 parentheses. Okay, so let me do my parentheses first. So 5 minus 3,
From left to right. Yes.
left to right. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 6 times 2, and then I can do 6 times 2 is gonna be 12. 2 plus 12, I have only one operation, 14. Easy.
Very nice. All right. Try this.
Okay. So now let's see what I have next. 10 times 4 plus 5. So first I have to do my parentheses. So inside the parentheses, I'm gonna have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now I just have one operation.
Very nice.
10 times 9.
All right. Now, very nice. Now, can you now? All right. So I'm gonna give you a little complicated problem. Is that okay?
Sure.
That involves with every single operations, order of operations. Okay. Now
I'm
the
ready
problem
for the
is
challenge.
3 plus 6.
I'm ready to do it.
Ready.
First, parentheses or brackets in this case. So I'm gonna have, let's see what's
No, you have
inside.
to do parentheses first.
Parentheses first. Okay.
Right, yes.
So let's put the 6 here, and let's see what I have. Left to right.
Left to right. Inside the parentheses, left to right.
Okay. 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, that's pretty easy. Divided by 8 times 2.
Very nice.
Okay, now I still didn't finish parentheses.
You did not.
Still have to do that. So 3 plus bracket 6, and then I know 12 minus 4 is gonna be 8. So 6 times 8 divided by 8 times 2. Okay, almost done with the bracket in this case.
Parenthesis.
Or parenthesis. So 3 plus 6 times 8 is gonna be 48. Okay, I was close. It was like tip of my tongue.
Bracket. You have to have a bracket now.
Oh,
Put the bracket.
here?
Yes.
Okay.
Very nice.
So times 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, done with this.
With the parenthesis
Fine.
and bracket. Now you can remove the bracket.
Okay. So now I'm done with that. I can remove the bracket. So 3 plus 48 divided by 8 times 2. Let's see. Do I have exponent? No. Do I have multiplication? I think so. I think I have some multiplication. So I have 3 plus 48 divided by, so 8 times 2 is gonna be 16. That one is easy for me. Okay. Now I still have more than one operation. So let's see what I have to do next. Let's see, maybe I have to do division next, right? So 3 plus 48 divided by 16. 3. It's gonna be 3.
Alright.
Okay, I don't need this anymore. I just do 3 plus 3. It's gonna be
No, this is wrong.
6. That's my final answer. All of that is a simple answer.
This is wrong answer. So why don't you find the mistake in the algorithm? How many lines you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So I
The
have
first
to
line
check-
I wrote it.
Okay.
So you have you written
6 lines.
6 lines. Find the
Okay.
mistake and circle it.
So let's see. First I did 11 plus 1. That gave me 12. That's good. 12 minus 4 gave me 8. That's fine. 6 times 8 gave me 48. But then I think I forgot to go left to right. I should have done 48 divided by...
Good! Wow, this is great. You found the mistake. You found your own mistake without much help. Very good. That's what I was expected. Very
So,
nice.
now I can...
So you found your
fix it.
mistake. All right. So very nice.
Wow.
Okay. So, all right. So cross the line that not good. Very nice.
Okay. So now I'll have
So what was the mistake you made?
not going left to right.
Very good. That's a student often make this mistake. So don't feel bad.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go left to right. So 3 plus 48 divided by 8, 6 times 2. And then I can do my multiplication. My multiplication, tell me, 6 times 2 is 12. I don't have to do anything, it's just one operation. 3 plus 12, 15.
Wow, very good. Good job. Excellent.
Oh, thank you.
Now the nameplate, this is for you to take home.
Wow.
All right, I'm sure your parent will be very proud of you. Okay? All right, I'll see you. Oh, before you go, why don't you tell me the definition of order of operation now? And why order of operation is important.
So order of operation is the order in which you have to do the 4 operations of arithmetic.
All right, very nice. The student had no understanding about order of operation in the beginning. In fact, student had no understanding of even the 4 operations of arithmetic. But through the hands-on, the student not only understood the order of operation, but also was able to discover something. And that discovery was very crucial. A student who was able to find his own mistake in the 6-line algorithm he wrote. So student found the own mistake. Solving problem is easy, but finding mistake is not easy unless a student understand it. That shows a student understand it and he did not memorize it. Good. All right.